Welcome back, I'm Mauro. Today we have here the MOZA Mini-S Essential Smartphone Gimbal. And what's the catch about it? Well, it's a really great travel compact system folding design. In the past, I tested a prototype version with a selfie stick extension. Well, this is the MOZA Mini-S Essential without the selfie stick extension, and it's only 79 bucks. It's half the price of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Let's get into it. In the box you will find the folded MOZA Mini-S Essential Gimbal, mini tripod, user manual, USB-C charging cable, and micro USB control cable if you want a wired connection on your smartphone. And for the end, the storage pouch. The folding mechanism allows you to fold the gimbal to make it really compact to carry on. In front of the handle you will find the main control dials, the joystick with the battery level under it. On the right side there are the zoom options dials, and on the left side the power button with the USB-C charging port. On the back of the gimbal there is the trigger button. On the 3-axis handle there is only the micro USB port for that wired connection. There is no wireless charging option here. The balancing process is really simple and it takes only a couple of seconds after sliding the phone into the holder. Let's have a look on the options on the Moza Genie app. For the full option control through the gimbal buttons, you have to connect it via Bluetooth to your smartphone. Once you establish the connection, you will be presented by a fairly simple menu. On the upper side you can find your smartphone and gimbal battery level indicator. On the lower left side you can have an option to enter the gallery, select the settings of the gimbal like zoom speed, calibration and disconnect option. On the upper right side there is an option to change your filming resolution, flash switch and camera settings. On the lower right angle you can find the camera switch option from the forward-facing camera, the settings option and the record button. Entering the control setting options you can select a shooting mode from taking pictures, video mode, time-lapse photography, motion time-lapse and slow motion up to 1080 240 frames per second. You can enter the professional mode if you want to control manually the exposure compensation, white balance and zoom. In the resolution menu there are just few resolutions to choose: 1080 30p, 4K 30p, 720 30p and 1080 24p. There is no 4K 24 frames per second. On the girth you can select various versions of it like Asterix, 3 and diagonal central. There are some filter options if you want to get more creative. You can select your focus mode: infinity, auto, macro mode, autofocus continuous for video and autofocus continuous for picture. There is also an option to connect to a Bluetooth microphone and option to go live streaming to Facebook or make a custom live stream. We have also the anti-shake option and the spirit camera level toggle. On the left side there is my favorite one, the tracking option that tracks your desired object by selecting it on the screen. I made some tests.
Never stop, make it last, raise up our hands all night. Go where we want, rushing past all of the no's and why's. We can do it all the feels that feel so right. Look at me, looking at you, and we know we'll be fine. Like a bullet, speeding high, I'll be your ride or die. Let's do it. Oh, you know I'm up for anything. Up for anything. Oh, the world's our playground. We're the kids forever young. Running free, oh come on. You know we'll stay forever.
The tracking is fairly good, but there is something that I don't like. The tracking works only in 1080 30p. In every other resolution or frame rate there is no support for the tracking option. I really hope that in the future we can get an update to get the 24 frame per second 4K thing with a tracking option included. And there is only 4K 30p, no 24 frame per second. So I slowed down all the footage to 80% to match my 24 frame rate timeline. The zoom option works great and there are no zoom jumps when zooming. Pressing 2 times the trigger on the back, you will recenter the gimbal, and holding it, you will enter pan follow mode. Pressing twice on the left button wheel, you can switch the roll follow mode. Double pressing the down button, you enter sport mode to enhance the responsiveness of your gimbal. And pressing it 3 times, you enter inception mode. Okay, this is really great budget option when going to smartphone gimbals, and for $79 you can't go wrong with it. It will stabilize your footage really well. The folding thing is a really great welcome option when you need that compact size gimbal. But I would like some improvements here. I would like that 4K tracking feature so I can make fake hyperlapses and they still look good. Sometimes I get also the roll motors in my shots using my OnePlus 6, no matter what I tried. I would like also a more gentle, fluent motor sensation and a gentle dead point so my openings looks more fluent. I understand that this gimbal can't meet all my professional expectations, but some little improvements could be done really easily here to make this gimbal more enjoyable. And we are going straight to my favorite one, comments time. We have Parma Pradhan. I'm your biggest fan, please can you buy an Inspire drone? Well, I'm actually able to buy you an Inspire too. Just send me your address and your money and I will buy it for you. We have Chauffeur Film. Very cool, I have now the crane through and I'm still training. Best regards from a small German filmmaker. And we have Mauricio. Oh, that's a great name. Amazing! Now, did you use a LUT for roaming the torrents at 222? Is it available for purchase or did you tweak it yourself? Could you make a tutorial on how to do it? I'm kinda looking for that look for an upcoming personal project. Yes, well, I sent you the screen grabs and how I color graded, so you are welcome. And we have Zoran. Prvi, always more similar to Chuck Norris recently. Well, I'm actually going for that Bruce Willis look. Instagram feature Gunnar. Let's give him a shout out. Thumbs up if you liked it. Bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.